everybody? I'm here today with a video on the Fitbit Charge 4. I'll be showing you specifically how to charge the battery in this easy tutorial. All that you need is your Fitbit Charge 4. Everything's on the screen here. I'll show you. You need your Fitbit Charge 4. You need the charging cable that was included with your Fitbit Charge 4, and you need your power brick. So I've just unattached everything for you. So you need your device, your actual activity tracker, your Fitbit Charge 4. You need a power brick, okay? And then you need your charging cable, just like that. Really easy. So let's get right into the video. The first thing is you want to make sure your power brick is compatible with the amount of power and the wattage and amperage and stuff like that. So this power brick does work indeed, but make sure that it's the right rating of a power brick, okay? Oh, in addition, you also need a power outlet, which you find right there on the wall, okay? So you're gonna plug in your charging cable to your power brick. Oops, whoopsie daisy. So don't do that. You see, there's these little rectangular pieces. They don't go in the same way. You gotta flip it over to make it make sense. So they have to, this one goes on the top and then this one's on the bottom right here, okay? Just like that. It only goes in one direction, okay? Very simple. Then you want to take that and you want to plug it in to the wall outlet. So I'm going to plug it in up there, just like that, okay? Make sure your wall outlet has power. Sometimes people think the charger's broken or the device is broken, but in reality, their circuit breaker has just tripped. So make sure your wall outlet has power indeed. Then you want to take your charging piece right here, and you see those two little contacts right there, those two little pins. You want to line those up with these contacts right over here. So very simple. You're going to open the clips. You're going to press these together to open it up, okay? Just like that. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like an alligator mouth almost. So push those to open it up. Let's make sure your pins are going to be on the, like my pins are on the bottom on the charging clip. My pins are on the bottom on the device. So press them together, okay? Clip it over this, and then you can slide it in place until it clicks in place, okay? So we'll try that one more time. Clip it over there, and you want to line it up. There you go. So when it clips in place, you're going to feel a little haptic vibration on the Fitbit device, and you're going to see that it's charging. Okay. Now, once you've done it a few times, it'll probably be a lot faster. And if I wasn't looking through a camera screen, I would have done that in a millisecond, not a millisecond, but in a fraction of a second. Okay. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes very, very easy. But that's how to charge the battery on a Fitbit Charge 4 in this easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.